Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to use this jersey to do a tank top. Let's get started. Firstly, measure your preferred length and mark it from the shoulder to the waist. I'm using 55 cm. Fold it into half, and from that point you can draw a curved line and cut it along it. Next, I'm going to cut the neckline and also the armhole. I'm using 5 cm for the shoulder. You can also use 3 cm or even 2 cm if you prefer your strap to be thinner. Draw a curved line . And cut along it. Make sure the top is flat so that both sides are equal. Wear them on inside out. Pinch out the excessive fabrics. Mark or secure them with a pin. Draw the lines. I'm drawing them slightly curved just so it fits your waist. And stitch them along. Trim the excessive fabrics. And try them on. Pinch out the excessive fabrics around the armhole and create darts. Do the same on the other side and also at the back. Mark and secure the darts with pins. I'm measuring the darts just so all the darts are equal and symmetrical. Do the same to the back. And stitch them along. We're almost there. Trim out the uneven armhole. And we're done. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.